If you are using Claude Code, you might already be compromised. And I am not joking. Here is exactly what happened. On June 1st, 2026, attackers reportedly compromised a Red Hat employee's GitHub account and used that access to push malicious code into Red Hat's GitHub repositories. From there, they abused CI/CD pipeline and GitHub Actions OIDC publishing workflow to publish infected NPM packages under the trusted Red Hat Cloud Services namespace. That is why this attack is so dangerous. The packages looked legitimate, came from a trusted Red Hat namespace, and passed through trusted publishing workflows. But inside, they carried a credential-stealing worm called Miasma. Microsoft reported that 32 packages and more than 90 package versions were maliciously modified, and the malware could steal SSH keys, GitHub tokens, NPM tokens, AWS credentials, Azure credentials, GCP credentials, Kubernetes secrets, and CI/CD secrets from GitHub Actions runners. The impact is so serious that if a developer installed one of these poison packages, attackers could potentially access source code, cloud accounts, repositories, CI/CD pipelines, and even publish more poison packages using stolen credentials. This is not a Claude Code vulnerability. This is a software supply chain attack. So protect yourself. Check if your projects used affected at Red Hat-Cloud-Services NPM packages, review recent NPM installs, inspect VS Code and Claude Code settings, run npm install with --ignore scripts where possible, and if you suspect compromise, isolate the machine first. Then rotate GitHub, NPM, SSH, Cloud, and CI/CD credentials from a clean, trusted device. For more details, refer the links in the description.